still getting oil coming out of the breather hose. Just changed the water pump seal. So what I did, I just removed my side cover, which is fairly easy to remove it. It's not really complicated job. What I'm gonna do now is just pull this shaft, drive the shaft out of to the other way. I already removed the circlip. I don't know if you guys gonna be able to see it, but there's some coolant in it right there, which is not a really good sign. I mean, it is good because I'm replacing it, but the water or the coolant flows through these two channels right here as the impeller spins. So you should not get some coolant through this side. And also I noticed there's some play right here on the shaft. I can't really do it. Oh, you see? Can you see that? What I'm gonna try to do, just tap it and see if it goes to the other side. So it's actually very easy to tap it off. And these seals here are busted. They're in a very bad shape. I'm actually glad I'm changing them. Now I'm gonna use torch and apply some heat right here on this area. I was doing some research and apparently it's very snug fit for these bearings right here. There's two bearings. Also, KTM always recommending changing the shaft when changing the seals anyways. So it's not really a bad idea just to step it up and then go ahead and purchase the whole replacement kit that comes with the impeller, shaft, the seal and the two bearings and everything that you're gonna need. So I'm gonna apply some heat right here in this area and see if I can drive the bearings out. You guys, after you apply some heat, it's fairly easy to remove the bearing, at least the first one right here. Always remove from this side to the other side. So you're gonna actually tap it from here, from the inside to the outside. I've seen someone online that actually tap it this way and ended up breaking this collar right here. After you get the bearing out, there's another clip right here you have to remove before taking the second bearing out, okay? All right, so the second bearing came out very easily. There was not a really big deal. And I'm super glad I'm changing them because this should be the seal side of the bearing. It's in such a very bad shape. Terrible, terrible, terrible. All right, so today I got my repair kit in. Let's see how it goes. Instead of putting this guy into the freezer, I'm gonna actually warm the cover up. Actually seems to be easier this way. Get a socket with the same diameter. Let's spray a little bit of WD-40, see if it helps. Perfect. First one went in pretty easily. Try to put this lock ring in as soon as I can so I don't have to hit it up one more time. Perfect. No problem. So let's try to put the second bearing. Perfect. It was actually easier than I was thinking. Both bearings in within 1 minute. Allows you to put the circlip right here on this end. So we're gonna lock this guy here in place. I don't see if you guys can see it, but if any doubt, this is awesome. So I was actually taking a look at the position of the clip. So that's all they have it over there. Try to leave as close as possible, as I saw on the computer screen. So this is probably fine. So now we're gonna put the lock ring here on this side. There's a channel on the shaft. I actually forgot to show you guys, but there's a channel right there where the clip sits properly. What is next? The shaft C-ring. By the book, they have a bullet, so you don't cause any damage to the rubber side, but you can just be careful with it. Try to spin it as you drive in, so it's not really a big deal. Alright, now there's this tiny little washer that goes right here. The impeller that sits on top of it. You know, there's a lot of aftermarket brands that they do sell better impellers, but I just decided to go with the stock. Not gonna be doing anything crazy on my bike. You want to give the final torque on this bolt on the bike. So I'm just gonna give a little bit of a torque right now. Alright, so there's still a little bit of a gasket right here on the engine, so I'm just gonna clean it, make sure it's clean all the way around, and be right back. Once you made sure that everything is nice and clean, the rest of it is just putting the parts back together. Okay. Just go with your hand all the way around. Make sure you feel the gasket. It's in the right place. So the reason I asked you guys to torque this guys to the less is because that way we have the shaft sitting in place, and actually we have something to hold on to it. And before it was having some play right here, now it's solid.